Hello friends, today in this tutorial we will be looking at a very practical example of the Node.js web scraping library called as Cheerio. So we will be scraping our profile picture on my website called as codingshiksha.com. This is my personal website and I will be scraping this picture here in the about me section here. If I just inspect element here on this picture, you will see that I will be in the elements tab. This picture is located under a div which has a class of oceanwp dash about me dash avatar. We will be downloading this image onto our local system using Node.js application. So let's start building this application, guys. So create a empty Node.js project, and first of all you just need some dependency. First of all, just install Express and Cheerio also. This is a web scraping library, and also we will be needing the request module. So just install the request module also. And the last dependency which will be needed is node image dash downloader. So this dependency will be used in order to download images from the remote website. So these are the 4 dependency which are needed, guys. I have already installed these dependency. So let's start importing these inside our Node.js application. First of all, we will import the Express module, require Express, and then we will import the Cheerio dependency, require Cheerio, and then we will import our node image downloader. We will be requiring node image downloader. So this is the dependency, and lastly we will be also be importing request. So it will be requiring request. And now we will be making a simple Express app, guys. So Express, we will be listening on the port number 5000. So that's it. And now we just need to make a simple get request on the home route, and it takes a callback function which have request and response as the variables. This is a arrow function, and inside this, guys, we just need to make a URL variable here. So inside this we will copy paste our website address, which is codingshiksha.com, and here we will be making a simple request, here. With the help of request module, we will call the request module, and inside this we will pass the URL, and the second option it takes is the callback function, which has actual error if any kind of error take place, and response comma HTML of the website. So this is the arrow function, guys. First of all, we will check for the error. If no error is take place, we just want to console log the HTML of the website, that is console log HTML. That's it. And now if I just start the server, guys, by executing a command node index.js, and now if I open localhost 5000 in my browser, and it will print out the HTML of the website. You can see that, guys, it has loaded all the HTML here inside the console. You can see that. And now we only want the div which has a class of oceanwp dash about me dash avatar. For that, first of all, we just need to load our Cheerio library. So here we just need to delete this line. Instead, we just need to declare a dollar symbol, and we will be declaring Cheerio.load, and we will pass the HTML here. And then we will be selecting our image source, making an image source variable, and inside this we will pass the class which was let me just see what is the class. oceanwp dot is there for the class, guys, as you have known in the jQuery selectors also. jQuery selectors are very much similar in Cheerio also. This is oceanwp dash about dash me, and after that this is avatar, and inside this we have an image tag, and now we just need to extract the attribute source of the image. That's it. So this will store the this address of the image here, image address. It will store inside this variable which is image source. Now we just need to download the image, guys. So for that we will be using the node image downloader module. So we will just call this download method. Inside this we will be passing our images module. Let me just show you the documentation. This is a node image downloader. You can just search on Google here. This is a npm module. You can see that this is example. So this holds the images property that you need to assign here. So images. So this takes an array of images. So in my case, we have single image. So we will pass it to the URI property, sorry, URI. And inside this, we will initialize it to image source. That's it. And now after this, guys, we just need to also provide a destination. So comma destination. So destination, I will create a folder downloads inside my root directory here. So I will create a downloads folder. That's it. So I have provided this address here. That's it. So I think that this creates an error here. Why it has having an error here? Let me just see. This is URI is equal to image source, or let me just see, guys. URI is underscore. Oh, sorry guys, this needs to go inside. Yes, this needs to go inside curly bracket. So this is URI and this is image source. That's it. And now we have provided the destination of downloads here, and now we just need to handle this promise. So this has a dot then method. So we just need to handle this by dot then. You can see that it returns a promise. So just after it finishes, so just after this here, we just need to write dot then. So in this have the info object. So we just need to write this arrow function. So inside this we can just print out in the console that is download complete, and we can just exit the application, that is process.exit, and we can just pass a constant 1. That's it. So this will exit the applications once the image is downloaded. And now if I just reload the application, guys, start the server, and if I open my localhost 5000, so you will see that it will download the image and it will show us that download complete. You will see that download complete. And now if I check my directory, it will hold a profile.jpg image. Here you can see that. Now if I open this, there is a downloads folder. Inside this we have the profile.jpg image, the same image that we saw in the website also, about section. So in this example, guys, we have seen a practical example that how to scrape a remote image that is located on a website using the web scraping library called as Cheerio in Node.js. So thanks very much for watching this video. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe the channel and also tapping the notification bell icon. And I will be seeing you in the next video. Until then, thank you very much.